How to repair broken car screen, professional repair service. Introduction. When your car screen breaks, you will be afraid of the consequences and how it could affect your driving. It is not good to drive a vehicle with a broken screen, as it can cause accidents or injuries for both you and others. If you want to avoid these problems, then contact us at our professional repair center immediately. Our technicians will come over to your place within 30 minutes after placing an order for their services and provide you with the best service possible by fixing any broken part on your car within few hours without charging extra money for delivery charges, etc. If you have a broken car screen, you need to repair it right away, as you don't want to drive your vehicle with a broken screen. If you have a broken car screen, you need to repair it right away, as you don't want to drive your vehicle with a broken screen. A cracked or broken car windshield can be dangerous and cause accidents. It also distracts the driver from seeing what's happening behind him or her, which makes it more likely that he or she will get into an accident. Broken screens are costly because they require replacement of the entire windshield. If only part of it was damaged by rocks or other debris, then repairing just that part may not be necessary at all. In addition, if there is any damage to other parts of your vehicle, such as its frame, then those repairs may also need done as well, which could cost even more money than just replacing one piece alone would have costed initially. When you call for a car screen repair, the technician will ask for your name and contact number. When you call for a car screen repair, the technician will ask for your name and contact number. You can give the technician your phone number, email address, or even your credit card details if necessary. However, it's best not to give this information over the phone, as it's very easy for someone else to intercept these messages and use them against you later on down the line when trying to get repairs done on their own vehicles. The technician will then arrive at your place in 30 minutes or so. You will be called by the technician, who will explain the situation and ask you to provide the following information: the make and model of your car. You can also look it up online. Your contact details, for example, phone number. The technician will arrive in 30 minutes or so with the sign on his car, which reads, "I have come to repair your broken screen." He is polite and friendly, wearing an official uniform with a toolbox containing all necessary parts for repairing screens. He will inspect the broken screen and let you know about other parts that are damaged too. After the technician has examined your car, he will let you know about other parts that are damaged too. If there are any other problems with the vehicle, they will be repaired at the same time as fixing your screen. The technician will then carry out a test drive to check if there are any problems in his system. After he replaces the damaged parts on your car, he will carry out a test drive to check if there are any problems in the system. If you are happy with the work, he will replace the damaged parts on your car. After that, he will carry out a test drive to check if there are any problems in the system. If there are no problems with it, then the technician will collect his payment and leave. If you have any questions about how to repair broken car screen or other technical issues related to cars repairs, such as drain cleaner or engine oil change services, then please don't hesitate to contact us by phone or email and we can help. Professional screen repair service is always reliable and trustworthy. When it comes to professional screen repair service, you can trust us. We have a reputation for providing quick, reliable and trustworthy workmanship. Our team of experts are available 24/7 and our services are affordable too. Our free inspection service will let you know whether your screen needs replacing or not right away. If it does, we'll give you an accurate quote over the phone or via email, so that all parties involved are on the same page when making decisions about what needs doing first, saving time and money in the long run, as well as providing peace of mind knowing that everything is done right first time around without having any surprises later down the line. Conclusion. The above tips will help you repair your car screen quickly and easily.